Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. The Dyson V12 Detect Slim is a cordless vacuum designed to be smaller and more compact. While this means a smaller dustbin and slightly less suction, it more than makes up for it through overall performance and usability. Across our battery of tests, the Detect Slim showed excellent performance, removing 98.6% of total debris by weight, avoiding hair tangles, and easily removing pet hair. This video is sponsored by NapLab. NapLab is our sister channel where we put mattresses to the test. We test mattresses through our battery of 9 different tests to create the most objective, transparent, and helpful reviews possible. If you're in the market for a new mattress and need help, visit us over at naplab.com or on our channel at YouTube. Let's talk about our performance tests. To test the cleaning performance and usability on the Dyson V12 Detect Slim, we put it through 6 different real-world tests. First up, our cleaning test. To measure cleaning performance, we test the vacuum against 4 different debris types on 3 different floor types. After running the Detect Slim on max setting over the debris, we then measured the amount of debris it removed by weight. The cleaning performance of the V12 Detect Slim was excellent. Across our test, it was able to remove 98.6% of debris. On hardwood floors, the V12 worked fantastically well. For this type of floor, we used the Laser Slim Fluffy Head, which is designed for hard surface floors. The soft brush roll was perfect for this test, handling all debris types with ease. Performance on low-pile carpet was also good. For this and the high-pile carpet test, we switched to the multi-surface motor bar cleaning head. The Dyson V12 Detect Slim handled most of the debris without issue, however, it didn't capture 100% of the sugar. While the vast majority was removed, there was still some buried within the carpet. Similarly to low-pile carpet, performance was excellent on high-pile carpet, except with sugar. Despite that, a vast majority of debris was removed, and I would still consider this fantastic performance overall. For our long hair test, we place strands of hair in the direct cleaning path of the vacuum. We then run the vacuum over it and check to see how much of the hair was removed and if any tangled in the brush roll. The Dyson V12 Detect Slim handled long hair with ease. It was able to remove 100% of the hair we placed on the floor. In addition, the majority of the long hair did not get tangled around the brush roll. What little hair did tangle was easy to remove by hand. Notably, the V12 Detect Slim motor bar brush roll incorporates hair detangle vanes within the design. These vanes help to brush out and extract hair from the motor bar before it gets a chance to tangle. The vanes appear to work exactly as they are designed and have a significant impact on hair cleaning performance. For our pet hair test, we brought the vacuum over to our content manager's house and vacuumed a rug that had tons of pet fur embedded within. His dog sheds often and a lot, and as people move throughout the house, that pet hair gets pressed into the carpet and rugs. After using the Dyson V12 Detect Slim on max power, the majority of the pet fur was removed. While I noticed stray hair here or there in the carpet, an estimated 95% of the hair was removed with just 2 passes of the vacuum. The brush roll within the motor bar head was able to agitate the rug successfully and remove the hair. For our runtime test, we fully charged the battery and let the vacuum run continuously on each mode with the motor bar head attached until the battery runs out of power. Our testing showed the Dyson V12 Detect Slim to have a runtime between 7 and 51 minutes, depending on the mode. Dyson states that the vacuum has a runtime of 60 minutes with no motorized accessories attached. This is about average compared to other cordless vacuums we've tested. In addition, the battery takes about 4 hours to fully charge, which is also similar to many other cordless vacuums. The battery on the V12 is removable. As a result, if you want an extra long runtime, you can simply purchase an extra battery. To test the noise levels of the Dyson V12 Detect Slim, we run the vacuum on each suction setting and measure the noise generated with a noise meter from about 3 feet away. Our testing showed the V12 Detect Slim to have an average noise range of 52 to 59 decibels. This level of noise is similar to the hum of a refrigerator or moderate rainfall. It's also around 20 decibels quieter than a typical corded upright vacuum. Here's what it sounds like in each mode. Next up, usability. When setting up, using, and maintaining the Dyson V12, I found the usability to be fantastic. The design is similar to the non-slim cordless vacuum Dyson makes with a few notable changes. It stands 49.1 inches tall, has a dustbin capacity of 0.1 gallons or 0.38 liters, and has slightly less suction power at 150 air watts. Otherwise, it's similar to other high-end Dyson cordless vacuums. It's lightweight, has a click-in battery, is easy to move around, and can lay low to the ground. Setting up the V12 Detect Slim is quick and easy. Keep in mind, the battery will come partially charged, but Dyson recommends fully charging the battery before first use. Power control is the biggest change from the standard Dyson design. In previous models, the power was controlled via a trigger. When the trigger is pressed, the vacuum powers on, and when you're not holding it, no power. In the case of the V12 Detect Slim, there is a button located on the body of the vacuum to power the device on and off. No more trigger. While this change is certainly preferential, personally, I like it. Also, one of the most common complaints we've seen on Dyson's broader cordless lineup is simply that users hate having to hold the trigger down. On top of the Dyson V12 Detect Slim is an LCD that conveys information about the vacuum, including the current power mode, remaining battery life, current particulate intake, and general maintenance alerts. In the auto suction mode, the vacuum can use this information to automatically adjust the suction power. Additionally, below the display is a small button that can be pressed to adjust the suction mode or toggle through alerts. Taking care of the Dyson V12 is simple. The most common task will be emptying the dustbin. Compared to other cordless vacuums from Dyson, the dustbin is notably smaller, meaning you will need to do this more often. Otherwise, you will need to wash the filter in the main unit as well as the soft brush roll, depending on use. The Dyson V12 Detect Slim comes with a variety of accessories to assist in everyday cleaning. For multi-surface cleaning, Dyson included the motor bar cleaner head. It can handle all floor types and is the most universal attachment included. The laser slim fluffy cleaner head uses a soft brush roll designed for hard floors. On top of that, it uses a built-in laser to eliminate particles on the floor. The hair screw tool is designed to avoid hair getting tangled around the brush roll. In our long hair test, the motor bar cleaning head handled the task very well. However, if you clean up a lot of long hair or simply want to use handheld mode for pet hair, fur, or human hair, then the hair screw tool is perfect. Lastly, like many cordless vacuums, a combination tool and crevice tool are both included. These are great for reaching tight spaces or cleaning up dust. There are two different versions to choose from with the Dyson V12. The Dyson V12 Detect Slim and the Dyson V12 Detect Slim Absolute. In both the Detect Slim Absolute and base Detect Slim versions, the vacuum is functionally identical. The only difference is the included accessories. With the Absolute, you get access to the up-top adapter. This tool adds extra flexibility to the cleaning wand and accessories as it can bend and lock at various angles. Both the base Detect Slim and Detect Slim Absolute include the multi-surface motor bar cleaning head and laser fluffy soft cleaning head. On screen now is a complete list of all the included accessories for both the base and Absolute versions of the Detect Slim. The Dyson V12 Detect Slim is a cordless stick vacuum that is designed to be lighter and more easily carried around. Due to the more compact design, you lose out on a little dustbin capacity and suction power, but not cleaning performance. Our testing showed an overall debris removal rate of 98.6%. Additionally, it easily removed the majority of pet hair and avoided tangles in our long hair test. With the motor bar cleaning head attached, it had a runtime of 51 minutes and 22 seconds. Overall, it's a lightweight cordless vacuum with tons of power and bleeding edge technology. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Comments, questions, please drop us those notes down below. If you're interested in buying the V12, we got a link in the description. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.